Welcome home. Alright guys, so this is my official empty house tour. This is a rental property, so I'm going to show you guys what $1,800 can get you in Houston. In Houston, your money goes a long way because you can get a big space for not a lot of money. So for 2,800 square feet, $1,800 a month, I'm gonna show you guys what you can get. All right, so as soon as you walk in, right to your left is the office. So this is the office. It has nice high ceilings. My vision for this room is to be my YouTube filming room. So I'm gonna try to make it cutesy, girly, and I'm gonna try to turn this into my filming area, work area. So, and I'm glad that it's on the first floor so I don't have to walk up and down the stairs. Then to the right, we have this little nook. We have just a coat closet, probably maybe store some luggage in there. My kids can put their tennis shoes in there, our jackets, umbrellas. Then, this is the laundry room. So I already have a dryer, but I'm gonna have to buy a washing machine. So that kind of sucks that it didn't come with one. Most rental properties that I've been in, they usually come with a washer and dryer, but it's no big deal. It's not a big deal at all. And this is just my, what is this called? The half bathroom. So this is just a little powder room that my guests will be able to use, so they don't have to use my bathroom. I hate the wallpaper on the walls. It looks old school. But with rental properties, you kind of gotta take what you can get. Next we have the dining room. This is the dining room here. I love the chandelier. I think that it's like cute, classy. I like that it's crystalled. So, and it's a really big space. I already have a dining room table. I like that I have a little sitting area right here. I can probably put maybe some greenery, or I can just leave it empty. I'm not really sure, but I like this space. I like the formal dining room area. And next we come into the living room. I don't know if it's the living room, the family room, whatever you want to call it, but it's just an open concept with a kitchen here. It has a great fireplace. And this house was built, I think, in the late 90s, so it does have a nook right there. That nook, I'm assuming, was for like, you know, those big floor TVs to fit inside of there. And then right here, I don't know what this little nook is for, but I plan on putting like a floor to ceiling mirror right here. If I can find like a huge mirror to go right here, I think that would be nice. Then this is just like this is like where my kitchen table is gonna go, the breakfast area as they call it. So my kitchen table will go right here. And then this is the kitchen. The kitchen is just open. It has these nice like granite countertops. I like that it has an updated sink. It has all stainless steel appliances, which I love, because when I was looking at houses, there were a lot that had just white appliances, and I hate white refrigerators, white stove tops. You know, it just kind of, stainless steel just kind of gives it a little bit of an upgrade. And the dishwasher, which I probably won't use that much just because I usually hand wash. But yeah, this is the kitchen. And this little backdrop right here, I thought it was wallpaper at first, but it's actual like tile. So that's kind of nice. It looks a little bit old school, but I'm gonna try to jazz it up if I can. Another thing that I really don't like is the different flooring, but I try not to complain too much. We go from carpet into this type of tile, and then when you walk into the master bedroom, it's another different type of tile. Anyway, I'm not trying to be picky about it, but this is the master. I like that it has high ceilings. I think that it's really big, and I think I'll be able to hopefully still fit my couch in here because I have my couch at my other place, so I'm hoping that I'll be able to fit my couch in here too, along with my new furniture that I'm ordering. So yeah. And then the bathroom. So nothing too special about it. It's like your standard bathroom. It has the tub with the jacuzzi tub, stand-up shower, and then behind here, I have the bathroom, and I like that it's cut off. It has its own door, so it's not just all out in the open. So I definitely appreciate that. And then the two sinks. So it's kind of like a his and her sink, but it's a me and me sink because it's just me that's here. And I like that this one is high, so I can like wash my face or brush my teeth on this side. And then when you come over here, this is more of like a vanity, so I can put my chair here, I can do my makeup right here, and it's a little bit lower. It's probably about like 3 inches lower than the other side here. And y'all, I have 2 closets. Oh my God, I'm in like closet heaven. So this is my first closet. And I have a shoe rack or a purse rack or whatever type of rack I want this to be. I'll probably put maybe my purses in here and then my shoes somewhere else. I'm not really sure, but I just like that I have the racks in here, and then I have a lot of poles to where I can hang all my stuff because I have a lot of clothes. And I have a second closet. So this is the other closet. And as you can see, there's a lot of space. There's more shelving for me to put either my bags or my shoes, heels, boots, whatever I want to put there. So I really, really love that I have 2 closets. Like in my other place, I only had it was very limited on space for my clothes. Okay, so now we head upstairs. I got bad knees, so that's why it was a must that my room had to be on the first floor. But y'all go ahead and follow me. All right, so we have the game room. The game room was another thing that was on my list of non-negotiables. I needed an area for my kids to be able to play and mess up and watch TV and stay out of my way. So the game room was definitely a must. Then we have the kids' room. So the first room is Ethan's room. Hopefully they're okay with that. They're with their dad. So I picked this one to be Ethan's room just because it's a little bit smaller and it has short ceilings. So I gave Ashton the bigger room that had the higher ceilings just because y'all know Ashton, she's a diva. And I just thought the higher ceilings looked like it was more for a girl. So this is Ashton's room. Just slightly bigger, higher ceilings, and hopefully she's happy with it. Hopefully Ethan's happy with his choice, with what I chose. So if not, they can hash it out and they can decide. I really don't care. But both of the kids' bedrooms have walk-in closets, and they're actually like a nice size walk-in closet. So they don't have much clothes or much shoes, so I might be using some of their closet as storage. And then lastly, we have the kids' bathroom. This is the kids' bathroom. They have just the traditional tub and toilets. Then in here, they do have the double sink, so Ethan can have his side, Ashton can have her side, and they can keep their sides clean and tidy. Then they do have a linen closet, so they can keep their towels, their toiletries, and everything stored away in there. All right, guys, so that completes my empty house tour. My movers do come tomorrow, so I'm gonna start getting everything from the old house over here, and then I have a lot of shopping to do because I literally sold pretty much everything. All the kids' bedroom sets, my bedroom set, couches, kitchen table, I sold it all, so I can start over fresh in our new home. So, guys, this is what $1,800 a month gets you in Houston. Let me know in the comments, what does $1,800 get you a month in your area? Do you get bigger than this? Do you get smaller than this? Because I think for 2,800 square feet, and it's a house in a really good school district in a really good area, that I think it's money well spent, and I think I'm getting a really good deal. So, hope you guys like it. I will have a furnished home tour somewhere in the future once I get everything in, so it might be in the next month or two, but don't hold me to that. All right, guys, love y'all. Bye.